Welcome to the Career Channel. Subscribe now to maximize your potential and boost your income. The Career Channel is here to help you kickstart your career today. Welcome to your YouTube Shorts. Quick interview tips. Episode number 24 in the series of our nano guides and tips on the go. The 7-second rule. Let's explore the importance of it and why you need to pay attention to detail. The very first time you meet anyone, you scan them for unspoken information. Research suggests that we decide who someone is in the first 7 seconds of meeting them. How are they dressed? Have they made an effort? What's their style? You don't have to be wearing a suit or something super smart. But you do need to show you made the effort. Recruiters will be looking to see if you're smiling and showing enthusiasm to be there. What vibes are you giving off? Are you warm and engaging? Recruiters need to feel that you understand workplace etiquette and that you will be able to work with others if the role you have applied for requires it. Recruiters take note of your body language and posture. Are you respectful in the way you present yourself? Make sure you don't make yourself too comfortable. They are looking to see how open you are and if you have done your research. Have you come prepared? They will want to see that you know some details about the company, particularly around their products or services. The panel will be looking to see if you brought with you what was required. Were you on time? And how organized or flustered do you appear on first view? They are looking for calmness under pressure and organization. Finally, the recruiter will be listening intently to hear your opening pitch. They will want to hear your story, so be sure to explain. What brought you to this interview? Why is it important to you? What skills on the job description match your own? Why do you stand out from the other candidates? Make sure they get a good impression of you, as it will set the tone for the whole interview. Give yourself a head start by carefully planning your opening pitch with all these details. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel today to maximize your potential and boost your income. Don't forget to stop by the Career Channel store for some premium merch. Thanks for watching.